Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove powered by Shopify from your website footer part. To remove this powered by Shopify text, first go to your Shopify admin panel. So today I am going to show you two ways you can remove the powered by Shopify text. First I am going to show you how you can remove the text from the website customizer panel. So first go to left panel and then click on online store. Now on the right side, go to three dot icon, click on that. Now on the bottom, click on the edit default theme content. Now go to top and then here search for powered and then powered by Shopify. Just click on that and then just click on space, or you can add dot. After that, just click on save. On the top right corner, click on save. And there you go. So now let's check our website. Refresh. Now go to bottom and then here you go. So the powered by Shopify text is removed. Now I am going to show you the second way that how you can remove the text. So go to Shopify admin panel and then go to the online store. Click on three dot icon. Go to edit code. Now on the left panel, scroll down and then search for footer.liquid. Click on section and then scroll down, footer.liquid. Now here just click and then Ctrl F. Now here search for powered. Click on next. And this is the text, powered by Shopify text. So just delete the line. Select and then delete. Now on the top right corner, click on save. Now go to your website and check. And there you go. So this is the way you can remove powered by Shopify text from your Shopify store. So hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.